demonstrated to you how to teach the following sounds. And the S sounds. This time, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to teach blending of sounds to the children. Hi, I'm Bernadette and welcome to teachersinbox.com. It is my passion to help teachers, parents, and aspiring teachers to teach English language and reading in easy and enjoyable manner. In the previous video, I demonstrated to you how to let the students recognize, produce, and identify the the and the S sounds using the 6 easy steps. This time, I'm going to show you how to teach blending of sounds using the 6 easy steps. Let's get started. Okay, step 1, introduction. In the introduction, there are 2 things that you are going to remember. First, as a teacher, you are going to review the students of the previous lesson. Second is to let them know what will happen in the class. In reviewing, you can say like this. What sound? What sound? What sound? Next is you are going to tell them that they are going to blend these sounds. In blending, take note that you are going to keep on saying the sound as long as you are touching the sound. As an example, you are going to say like this. Step 2, modeling. In modeling, you have to demonstrate to the children how to blend the sound. An example, you can say like this. Now listen. Say the word M. What word? M. Next word. Sam. Say the word Sam. What word? Sam. Third step, repeating. In repeating, you have to let the children blend after you. You can say like this. Repeat after me. Sam. Say the word Sam. What word? Sam. Say the word M. What word? M. Step 4, asking. In asking, you have to check if the students can produce, recognize, and blend the sounds. As an example, you can say like this. What sound? What sound? Sound out, get ready, begin. Say the word. What word? Next word. What sound? What sound? What sound? Sound out, get ready, begin. Say the word. What word? Step 5, identifying. In identifying, you have to check if the students can identify the blended sounds. As an example, you can say like this. Is this M? No. Is this am? Yes. What word? Am. What word? That's right. Is this am? No. Is this Sam? Yes. What word? Sam. What word? Sam. Very good. Step 6 is reinforcing. In the reinforcing, you have to follow up on the students' learning on the blended sounds. You can make chanting or you can do singing. As an example, you can do like this. Are you Sam? Are you Sam? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you Sam? Are you Sam? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you am? Are you am? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Are you am? Are you am? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Are you am? Are you am? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you am? Are you am? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Very good! Now I'm going to show you the entire steps on how to teach the blending of sounds. Today we are going to learn blending of sounds. But before that, let's review our sounds. Let's get started. What sound? Very good. What sound? That's right. What sound? Very good. Now, let's do blending. Listen. Say the word. Am. What word? Am. Next word. Sam. Say the word. Sam. What word? Sam. Now repeat after me. Am. Repeat after me. Am. Repeat after me. Am. What word? Am. Repeat after me. That's right. Next word. Sam. Repeat after me. Say the word. Sam. Say the word. What word? Sam. What word? Very good. All by yourselves. Get ready. What sound? What sound? What sound? Sound out, get ready, begin. Say the word. What word? Is this am? No. Is this Sam? Yes, that's right. It's Sam. Is this am? Yes, that's right. It's am. What word? Am. Is this Sam? No, it's not Sam. What word? Am. Is this Sam? Yes, that's right. What word? Good. It's Sam. Again, what word? Now let's do singing. Are you Sam? Are you Sam? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you Sam? Are you Sam? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you am? Are you am? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Are you am? Are you am? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Are you am? Are you am? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you am? Are you am? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Excellent! Thank you for watching this video. To all the subscribers and the viewers, thank you very much. You inspired me to create more contents. To Leticia Nakines, thank you for seeing the value of my videos. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell notification for more videos to come.